LA's medical marijuana collectives are fighting back against the city's tough new pot dispensaries ordinance. Liz Habib is live in West LA. They certainly have the money to do battle with the city, that's for sure. I'm not sure the city has money to do battle with them. Liz, good morning.
Good morning, Tony. You know, there's a joke about the city of Los Angeles that kind of makes its way among City Hall, and that is that the city has more medical marijuana dispensaries than they do Starbucks. And if you've driven down Ventura Avenue, say in Studio City, or down this one stretch of Robertson between Olympic and the I-10, then that looks like it's very true. There might be one Starbucks per, 5 or 6 different medical marijuana dispensaries. This dispensary that I'm standing in front of has opened just recently. These dispensaries, they sell marijuana, and some of them have flavors, things like purple haze, different types of clever little names for marijuana. Well, the city had imposed a moratorium on the opening of dispensaries back in 2007. They passed a new ordinance back in January, as you may remember. It took them a couple years to come up with the new ordinance that says that any dispensary that was open before 2007 and registered with the city can remain open. But some of these newer dispensaries, like the one I'm standing in front of, would have to close because they didn't register with the city or they opened after that moratorium was imposed. Now, if it looks like you've been seeing a whole lot more medical marijuana dispensaries opening up recently, that's true. There's been what's called a green gold rush lately. A lot of different so-called medical marijuana dispensaries have opened up because a judge lifted that moratorium last fall. So there are lots more places opened up. Now, because of all that, there's your background. 21 dispensaries have filed 2 lawsuits that say the city is wrong with that ordinance, that how can they arbitrarily decide which dispensaries stay open and which close. They say just because those dispensaries opened before 2007 doesn't mean they should be the ones that get to stay open. So now they have filed a lawsuit against the city of Los Angeles. All of this was expected. The city of Los Angeles has passed an ordinance that many consider to be very restrictive on the medical marijuana laws. So again, 21 dispensaries around the city. You know, 21, there are upwards of 1,000 different dispensaries around the city. In fact, the city is having a difficult time keeping track of just how many are out there because of all of this is so very new. The ordinances, the laws, things going in and out of the courts. So the latest is the volley is back from the medical marijuana side to lawsuits challenging the city of Los Angeles. Live in West LA, I'm Liz Habib. Back to you, Tony.